Buy one. 10 seconds before. Switch to this. Switch to this. Buy 3. No, this first. This. Buy this. Actually. Buy then this. Buy. And then this. Buy. Don't do anything on this. Don't do anything on this. Close on this. Okay, chat. Come on. Yeah, I got it. I got it. I got it. I'm so scared. I'm so scared, bro. Fullporting like 4 accounts right here.
I was in when my freaking bot lost it all in a night. Flight crash? I feel great. I feel good. Getting hurt right I think you can do it in this video.
Yep.
People say I'm getting way too cocky. Listen, man, I'm cocky because I'm good. If I wasn't good, I wouldn't be cocky, but it's like, at the end of the day, bro, I'm good at what I do, and that's how I sell, so. You're coming to meet me in Barcelona? Alright, let's go.
Let's play football.
Seconds, 30 seconds.
We rise to the end. We gotta dream till we win. Give me the cup, the championship. Told them I'm bringing it back to the crib. Todo el mundo mirando. Everybody gritando. La bola girando.
Order filled.
Order rejected. Order filled.
Bang.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Bang.
hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air. Put your flags up, cause this is the World Cup. Put your flags up in the air. Put your hands up in the air. Put your flags up, leave them there. 2026, baby. It's that World Cup time. Stand up. Let's go. I step with my left, I step with my right, I pump my chest, I focus my mind, I take a breath and wait for the ref. This is the World Cup, put your hands up in the air. This is the World Cup, put your flags up in the air. This is the World Cup, everybody come and cheer. And stand up, you ain't got no fear.
Didn't work. Tried to cook, it didn't work.
Let's see here. Really? Okay, so there's the candle, guys. Really didn't do anything. That's crazy. Really didn't do much. Dude, I didn't even get filled on any of my orders. So yeah, I didn't even get filled on any of my orders there. So maybe we'll go sweep sell side out and then get like a long back up to that data wick. That would be pretty good. I'm looking for the sell side, and then we'll look for like a long setup back up to the data wick. I think standard deviation's kind of like fake. I don't know. I just prefer liquidity. Can I full port dues at Apex? Yeah, you can.
Bonito.
Standard
Actually gonna
deviation
wait
guy, your
longer.
first pack. Yeah, I mean, everything I already look at lines up with standard deviations. Like fair value gaps, they'll line up with a -2, 2.5. I don't need the standard deviations, but why do I type like a T-Rex? I don't know. So ideally what we're going to be looking for, guys, is
Bobby.
this sweep on sell side here
Bobby's
at
channel.
30,052 and then some sort of inversion back up, okay? We just swept London low. We do want to sweep Asia low here. I'm not really looking for an SMT here, but
Bobby's channel. Robbie. Dus deze is echt geblazen. Steve plus 800 deze. Dit is een premium account. Maar die andere premium is niet gecopytrade.
Okay, so we swept Southside, so that's a really good sign. How long did it take me to become profitable IPGs? Like 6 years, I think. No, I'm just kidding. It took me like probably 2 years, I'd say. Like a good 2 years. You have a 30-second? Yeah, 30 seconds not bad here. Personally, I'm gonna wait till like a nice V shape on like a 3 minute, but if you guys want to take the 30-second, you could. Honestly, I'll probably take this on my fundeds. I'm gonna take this one on my fundeds only. I don't really, I mean, it's up to you guys, but I'm gonna go break even here. Then I'll target up here. Yeah, it depends on how confident you are. I mean, I'm gonna take these in my fundeds. It's 8:38, the start of the kill zone. But if we get like a 3 minute, I'll probably average up here. Ideally, I think this 3 minute would more tell us that we're gonna go to the data wick. But I'm still in on the 30-second, guys. I'm gonna go break even here. So I'm break even here, guys. I just don't know if we're gonna break this 3 minute. If we start breaking this 3 minute with speed, it would be a good sign, but I just don't know. We need to like blast at the 3 minute. Okay, I'm probably gonna get stop break even here. Let's see. Okay, maybe not. We're still in. If the 3 minute just V shapes here, that would be even more, I'd be more confident we go to the data wick. But we need to like
Who
blast
간다.
above it. Hold on 1 second. First TP for the 30-second. I'm gonna scale some at this high. Dude, why can't I see my orders? What the hell? I'm gonna scale half of this high, I think, guys. How was that your profit before prop firms? Because I was trading a live account.
Oh, inverse.
Okay, 3 minute did not inverse here yet, so no long. The 1 minute didn't either. If we can get like a 3 minute here, definitely a good spot to average in maybe. But it needs to be like a good closure. Yeah, honestly, I would wait for the 5 too here. Good shout. Yeah, I would wait for both probably. Okay, let's see. This might be a break even if we dump here. Maybe not, maybe not.
Oh my god.
Okay, I think we're chilling, guys. Okay, I think we're chilling. Let's go. Really good candle here, guys. I don't like how he left equal lows, but this is really good momentum. He closed above everything. I did scale half here, so. Really don't like those equal lows, to be honest, but hopefully you can blast up here still. I entered the 30-second, and I did enter my live after I saw the 30-second reaction. So we closed above the 2, we closed above the 3 in a second. We 35 seconds till these close. I do want to see us just keep going up here with speed, guys, just so you know. Don't really want to see any stalling. There's the 3 close right there, and then we get the 5 close. So I just want to see us shoot right up to this data wick, hopefully. Maybe we'll tap into this 1 minute and then bounce off that.
No, bro. bro. Oh, bro. Oh, bro.
When we get to the CE, I don't really want to see any stalling. Hopefully, but we'll see what happens. We want to see us blast right through the CE and go up to the data high here. Yeah, go break even. Make sure you break even here, guys, or even scale the CE just in case. I mean, obviously, I think we go to the data high, but this could give us some trouble here.
Hello? Hello? Yeah? Hello?
Ideally, as long as we close above the CE and blast right through it, we'll go right to the TP. I just don't know. But I think we might, struggle here for a little bit. We just need to get some good momentum back up here. So you can see instant rejection off that CE, not really a great sign, but CE is the 0.5 of this wick, which ideally shouldn't matter with a data wick above, but it's a scale point because of how hard, how tough price has. We'll get, getting above this just sometimes tough for price. But okay, really good reaction off that wick. We got to close above this and make an order block and shoot right up to the data high. Okay, looks like it's just in the struggle for now. CE is like my worst nemesis, bro, I swear. Like, I wish it didn't exist, but... Am I gonna be live from New York? Yeah. I'd love to see this get turned into like an order block, but we'll see. Come on, push here, please. Love to be done before New York.
Just a 5 minute.
Okay, so it's back inside this gap. Ideally, we want to see this hold, but I'm kind of scared that these eco lows might go hit. So I'm hoping they don't, but Yeah, they're side by. I mean, yeah, they're side by side, but still, I don't like how they're sitting there, dude. Dude, for some reason, my Top Step accounts are not showing my actual position. I'm so confused. I wish we did not leave these equal lows here, dude. We could go these equal lows and then sweep and then get like another play here. I guess we'll see. I honestly don't want that to happen, but can we take re-entry at 3 minute? You could, but the entry, I don't know. I wouldn't. I would almost wait for another confirmation entry here, like if we got like another 2 minute here back to the upside or something. Dude, can we just talk about that CE call out, bro? That's insane. Like I did scale there, but I didn't scale everything obviously, but man, that was perfect. I was just scared. I was scared we were gonna reject off the CE because the equal lows. Honestly, if the equal lows weren't there, I would not have been as nervous, but I did not like that. So we should go for these equal lows here, and then I guess we'll see what happens when we hit these equal lows. The rest of my position is probably going to be stop break even, which is fine. But we might be able to find another entry back up. So we'll see. But as you guys can see, a lot of screen time experience, you know, me being able to call out the CE, say to scale there. Again, a lot of chart time, dude, a lot of chart time. I wouldn't expect people to know that, but
Yeah, out there. The bullish 5 minutes getting inverse. Don't fucking donut. Say bullish 5 minutes.
alright, let me post execution on Twitter real quick. Blake has a better IPG strat? Bro, that is my IPG strategy, dude. All right, we could get another confirmation set up here, possibly. Maybe like a 5-minute or something. Bro, you know I taught him, right? Meljanic, I taught everyone, dude. If you look on YouTube, go to Dodgy's the Inversions for Valley Gap, you can see me teaching that over 2 years ago before Blake or anyone had Instagram, dude. Like, I'm like the creator of this.
Dodgy.
Like the mech model he's teaching is something I taught 2 years ago in my videos. I just never named it some dumbass name. 5-minute shorts? No, I would not short with a data wick above. The Eagolo's already taken. Opinions on PJ? PJ's cool, I like him. PJ definitely goes for like higher RR, so his win rate's a little lower, but it depends. Like I would like PJ if you like that type of trading. Whereas like Blake's more higher win rate. So if you like higher win rate, I learned from Blake. If you like lower win rate but higher RR, then PJ. Do I sell any courses? No, I sell a live trading for $100 a month. So. Take a look at gold. Yeah, let me check. Yeah, gold is flying down, dude. So yeah, you guys can see that gold call-out was perfect, dude. Holy shit. It's insane. So again, just to recap on gold, I basically said gold was bearish because we had AMD, right? We had a lot of chop here. We came up, retraced into this higher time frame gap, rejected it, could not, there was no strength above it whatsoever, okay? And then let me just post a straight recap real quick. And then yeah, we just dumped the sell side, and I like the sell side run because you could already see that gold from this fair value gap from 645 on June 3rd, it already broke to the downside once, so this was completely irrelevant. So to me, these are relative equal lows. Obviously, they're not actually relative equal if you look at them on the chart. But this low and this low, or this low right here and this low right here are relative to me because this low made this gap irrelevant, if that makes sense. Telling me that we'd go down and run these two lows, especially the AMD. Type 1 if that makes sense. So yes, these are not textbook equal lows, but they're still relative equal lows in regard to when we broke this, it makes everything irrelevant and makes this a draw. So now on gold, I don't know what's gonna happen, but Yeah, if you blow up hundreds, it's alright, dude. Tiny 30-second. At this point, I would not trade till open. Unless we got like really good momentum above this 3 minute or something.
Dit is pre-market eigenlijk, bedoel ik.
How can you join my mentorship? I'll just watch my
was
boot camp on YouTube. Where are my final destinations for your trip? Barcelona and Valencia. I'm in Valencia right now. Can I explain CE? Yeah, so basically CE of this wick is just 50%, and I did not want to see a stall here. The fact that we stalled there was really bad price action. Okay.
Okay.
Ideally, in a perfect world, if we are going to sorry. Ideally, in a perfect world, if we were to go up there, we would not have stalled at the CE. So.
Tapped into this 4 hour. Oh, this is fucked. This is fucked, bro.
Still think we'll hit the high? Yeah, I still think we'll go up to the high. So. I'm probably done for the day, honestly. I mean, I'm a little green, but I don't want to trade price action that's going to stall before that high, to be honest. So I'd rather just not. I'd rather just end green, honestly, and just be done. Took the 30-second inversion, got hit break even. Yeah, I took it too. I scaled though, because I knew that honestly the CE combined with this inversion to the downside, I don't know. It was like a gut feeling. Usually I wouldn't scale there, it's just a gut feeling, honestly, at the end of the day. It's a lot of trading experience, dude. The 5 minute was a plus, for sure. The 30 second was just, I don't know, it's better. Gut feeling, yeah, dude, like at the end of the day, the more you trade, after like, I would say 4 or 5 years of trading, you're gonna start taking trades based off of like,
Yeah, I smell like
just not even a
so
system,
good.
but based off of what you've seen before. You're gonna start taking trades based off of, can I take a trade here and have a really good stop loss? John Collins? No, I don't know John Collins. Like eventually, like 2 years or 4 or 5 years down the road, you're gonna I have a system obviously, but my system is, can I take a trade here with full confidence? We're gonna go here with full confidence. If we hit my stop, I'm wrong. Does that make sense? That's when you like start to get really subjective. Do I actually think the algo is real? Yeah, and it's not that. Yeah, this is a data wick from NFP. One minute LRLR now. How do I deal with missing trades? It sucks, but every single time I miss a trade, there's always a banger like the next couple days. So, what's my bias for today? Right now, it's bullish. Why?
Zijn door een voorhouden aan het inbeurselen niet. Ja. Bobby, wat moet ik hier doen als mijn bias mixed is? Als je nog kijkt. Oh.
So we have another 30-second here. Looks pretty good, honestly. No close there. Oh, he did close, but I don't really like that close. That's a terrible close.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, this is better. Alright, we have another 30-second here. Definitely like the look of this. Let's see if it works. I'm personally waiting for open the trade, but I'll tape read it. Show the screen. I am on YouTube, bro.
Is het goed, Wabby? Ik vind het ook wel goed.
15-minute holding, yeah, true.
Dat is toch wel een goede genre, vind ik zo.
We're kind of building up more LRLR here, so maybe we run that and then get something, but. How's Spain? It's good so far. Not really super exciting, but. CE means consequent encroachment. Which hotel am I in? I'm not in a hotel, I'm in an Airbnb. Which ICT content did I start with? I started with the 2022 mentorship, then I went to the core content. What's better, fixed RR or liquidity? I like liquidity because if I really know where liquidity is, long term I'm gonna make a lot more money than just going for RR, so. Longs the data wick got cooked? No, they didn't. I won on them. Go check my executions on Twitter. Isn't that data high protected? No. It's, I mean, I would say no. Zero for one?
DB1 is about to
No, I'm 1 for 1 so far.
Oh.
If you guys go on Twitter, I shared my executions.
Oh shit.
This should smoke this LRLR. There's a lot of liquidity here building up, so I feel like we're gonna get a giant candle that just cuts right through this.
That's aura, I'm not gonna lie.
See how it's like trying to like smoke this trend line here? all of a sudden it's gonna be like a giant candle. Was it FOMO for missing the 30-second and taking the loss in the 5-minute? Yeah. Okay, let's see if we can stop all these guys out. Can I rate the 3-minute long at 8:42? It was A+, but I would have gone break even on it. I would have gone break even at the CE of the wick. If you took the 5 and the 3, the break even was at the CE of the wick. I'm not really like cutting through these stop losses at all. Come on. We should like have a giant Drake candle here and just slice through these, like they're, because there's a lot of stop losses built here. It could just be waiting for market open though, honestly. Yeah, it's definitely. I can make cases for both bearish and bullish today. Unfortunately,
Yeah,
V trades. Oopsies. Too much hurt. Kind of sucks, but how much does the 30-second chart cost? I don't know. Now we got LRLR to the downside, so now I think the LRLR to the downside is gonna run. We're just creating a lot of LRLR both sides right now. We have LRLR there, and now LRLR to the downside.
Hey, Wappy, thanks for the templates, Matt.
Am I recording? Yeah. What's the difference between taking a trade in the 1 minute than 5 minutes, since you still look at the 5 minute for confirmation? I mean, 5 minutes just gonna always be lower RR and more like of a chase entry.
Look, you have to pee.
It could be more higher win rate, but if you know liquidity and you get in on the 30-second or 1 minute, it's gonna be a little lower win rate but higher RR. So, why am I longing when we just inverse the 5 minute to the downside? I'm not longing. I said I'm waiting for market open. Do I use RTH orders now? Do I think ES wants to? Yeah, I think we're gonna go fill this new week open a gap on ES and NQ, and it kind of sucks because I'm green for the day, guys, and I'm probably gonna end it if we don't go for the data wick, because if I short here, I'm gonna be scared for the data wick above. That's just my opinion. So, but yeah, I think ES goes for this new week opening gap, and I think NQ does too. But honestly, the dream scenario would be something like this. Would be sweep the data wick and then go down. So I really would love that's like the dream scenario today. So I'm a scammer LARPer. I change bias every 2 seconds when the trade doesn't work. Nah, I just play price action, bro. You just gotta read what price action's showing you. Like, when we were at the CE right here, it just was not breaking through it. That's why I said I'd probably scale here to go break even. So.
NFB, yeah.
How would I get an entry into the data wick? Some V shape or something, but we don't have anything right now. So, what do I think about VWAP? I hate VWAP. Yeah, no problem. Save us. Does my title say I'm live on YouTube, guys? Me and Lanto should box? Dude, he'd sit on me and probably win. I don't think I can handle that. What do I think of quant? I don't know. What do you mean quant? Does the CE of the big wicks usually offer strong rejections? Yeah, it does. When's the album dropping? Never. We have like a really good 5-minute if we get it, but that's like the only thing I see right now. We'd have to like break every. We'd have to like V-shape it open and somehow close beneath above all this. So. Okay, we're gonna get this out of here. I took it really like Gillis, and then I took it my fundeds, and I took it really light on my live, but then I like took a full position on my live when we got like at the CISD, and then I ended up scaling, and then I got stop rest break even. So. Yeah, I gotta ban this kid. 1 second. Did I scale half? Yeah, I did. And it's funny because usually I don't scale when we go for data with plays, but I scaled because I just scaled because I don't know. I don't even know why I scaled. How often do I drive my Lambo? I'd never drive my Lambo, bro. I prefer traveling, hanging out with family than driving my cars. I watched ICT 2022 mentorship and the 2016 mentorship. Am I going to the TJR Island? No. It's just so I'm trying to like keep my brain a little more professional than TJR Island, and like yeah, it's funny, but at the end of the day here,
Just.
at the end of the day, I'm here to make money, not going on a freaking island, and I don't know, it's just kind of weird. It's a good idea for like a content creator, which he kind of is. And I'm a content creator too, for sure, but like more educational content creator, so I'm not sure how that would help. So. Yeah, but that had to do with educational IVGs, Gillis. Like the island is just going to be just complete non-trading related half the time, so.
Crazy.
Would a dream scenario be a Judas swing to data highs off open? Yeah.
Ik heb het juist zo rechts.
Can TJR actually trade? Yeah, TJR can trade. I mean, he shows every single trade. He shows his live trades every day. You know, he's not the best in certain market conditions, but he definitely trades. There's no such thing as you can't really get excant or exposed in the trading space because TJR has helped a lot of people, but he's also, you know, maybe hurt a lot of people. But like at the end of the day, you know, he still helped someone. So, you know, I probably hurt a lot of people, but I've helped a lot of people. It just goes both ways. A Judas swing is basically like a false move. So basically, what a Judas swing is if we think price is gonna go down, then we want price to go up at open and then down. If we think price is going down, then we want price to go, or if we think price is gonna go up, we want price to go down then up. TJR makes 100% Devin. But he says that, he admits it. Is a 5-minute valid in Dow Jones? No, Dow Jones has a 5-minute down, but what's wrong with this 5-minute down here, guys? Yeah, I'm still streaming on YouTube, Josh. What is wrong with this 5-minute inverse of the downside?
Always 10 minutes before market, bro. I'm going to rip it.
Yeah, there's a giant data wick above, so I'd never take this. Yeah, exactly. So there's a data wick above. We do not want to fade that. I'd almost prefer the 5-minute back up.
Gast, ik ga fucking Dow Jones Fullport op NFP. Gast, wat is data week?
I was born in New York, LeBron. How often do I look at YM? Almost never. But if it's like if price is really correlated, I will. Wait, why can't I hear the music anymore? Oh, it went off. Damn.
Take a fat shit, bro.
What's wrong with my hair today? I don't know. I just need a haircut, I think.
I want to take a shit.
How much do I bench? Like 235. If you go to my WAP, you can get my indicator. WAP.com. Judith. So everyone joining, the dream scenario would be for somehow for us to go take out the data wick and then Judas back down like that. But as of right now, do we have anything saying that that we're gonna go up here? Anything at all? Yeah, literally nothing. We have no V-shape momentum. We have no, giant ass green candle that's like creating any sort of CISD. Nothing. Okay, so we're just gonna chill for now, I guess.
Weet jij hoe een CISD ziet? Wat dat is? Ik weet
Yeah, live trade every day in Discord.
change in state of delivery is.
The data wicks always get tapped.
Op de charts, hoe ziet je
86% of
dat?
the time within the same day, the data wick gets tapped. Dude, I think my brother just showed my TikTok live stream. A lot of trading content is super beginner friendly. Do I have any more advanced style content? Towards the end of my bootcamp gets pretty advanced, but I would say no unless you join my mentorship, which I'm not going to promote that.
It's raining, bro.
What's my dream car? Probably Pagani.
Pagani, what's that?
Can I see so the indicator, basically if I turn the indicator on, it just shows me all the types of entries I could have taken. It probably showed the 3 minute. Let's see. How much my mentorship? You have to get on a call. It depends. There's like a couple different packages. Depends on what you need to. Yeah, so you can see my indicator alerted this one, alerted this one, alerted this one. But it basically just alerts like really V-shaped type of setups like this. And you can like customize it. And obviously I'm leaving it bullish right now, but like for example, it shows the entry, shows the rating, the setup, right? Showed this one was A. Actually, if I highlight over this, see it gave this one B+, clear targets, IPG, PD array delivery, sweep. And then alerts the entry for you. And it just like trains your eye to see my model and what I'm actually taking, basically. So, thoughts on PB trading? PB trading's fire. He's on a really good win streak right now, so really good for him. By the way, there's one thing I'm watching for here that's going to be very, very important to me. What is it?
What is it? It's 15 minutes.
What is it? Yes, I'm watching the 30,000 level.
What the fuck is that?
The 30,000 level, we're 20 points away from. It's gonna be like a make or break kind of level.
Really? Why?
Because 30,000 is just such a huge psychological setup. Am I single? Yeah, dude. The 30,000 level is just going to be such a big psych level. There's probably going to be a lot of orders here. When am I getting back from travel? June 13th, but I'm not even going back to Florida. I'm going to go to my mom's house.
Moet ik hier die andere template doen?
I just need
Oh,
I just
fuck.
need a break from the world. I'm gonna go back to my hometown. I'm gonna like live stream to just golf every day for like 3 weeks straight. Probably. And then I gotta go to UCLA to
daarna.
teach mid July. So that's kind of my next thing.
Volgend gereden, weet ik
I
niet.
live in upstate New York. Am I still in the UK? No, no. How can PM watch the AM? Oh, I gotta turn that off. I always forget too.
Valid.
Said they can't.
Oh my business.
Am I still looking for a plate of data highs? I mean, yeah, but we're not getting any. We're not even getting anything at all, dude. This is horrible. We're just going down. By the way, if you haven't already, one person who leaves a like on the YouTube stream will get us funded. I'll pick later. I'll like DM you. I just requested a bunch of more Lucid accounts to give away, so.
How is it 30,000 level important?
When I come to Germany, yeah, I'm gonna go to like Amsterdam, Germany, Austria. I wanna go to Vienna. I'm gonna go to a bunch of places, don't worry.
How is this level important?
Is the data high protected? No, the data high is not protected. By the way, this is the guy who changed my life. I appreciate that, dude. For real.
How is this important? I mean,
Alright, we got
7
open
years.
in 2 minutes. Yeah, I'd probably go to Poland, Warsaw. Open in 2 minutes. Let's see what happens here. I think I was a gamer, LeBron. I was a gamer. I had that gamer mentality.
Skip. Ik ga vandaag niet rijden. Fuck off. Fuck dan op hoofd, man. Oh, mooi achtergronddootje.
Can I do an event? Yeah, I'll do an event in Germany probably. Is it good to travel alone? Do I prefer? No, I like traveling alone because I can kind of do whatever I want, whenever I want, and meet people. I feel like when you're traveling with someone, there's always like something. I don't know. There's always like discrepancies in what you do. I feel like, you know, I kind of just want to do what I want. Meet up in Buffalo. Dude, I would have to get like 30 people to go to Buffalo to do a meetup. But I could. That would be insane. Alright guys, here's open. Again, dream scenario is to pump to this data wick. And then maybe get a short after that. So dude, Rochester is like, that's from my hometown. But I'd probably do the meetup at Buffalo because it's only an hour away. Or an hour and a half away, and then people from Rochester should get to come because Rochester is smaller. Yeah, I'm not from Rochester, but all right, we're gonna see what happens at this 30K level. Imagine this works, bro. Imagine like a full 30,000 bounce here works. Like people actually trade like this. I don't know how, but they do. They'll just buy the 30K level and just call it a day and be like, yep, I'm done. It's kind of working. Your whole family's from Webster? Nice. Yeah, I'm not gonna say where, but I'm pretty close to there. Yeah, I wonder so many Rochester people are around here. Damn, dude, that 30,000 buy really just worked. Holy shit. Oh, wow. That's FOMO for sure.
Oh my fucking god.
So, yeah, there's the
How?
30,000 buy, guys.
How?
Always happens.
How?
I'm not even kidding. People will do that and just be done for the day.
Oh yeah, we're going to the data wake.
All right, if we inverse this 3-minute/5 minute, we got a potential long here to the data wick. I kind of have FOMO though. I should have, I don't know. Honestly, like my model's not buying at psychological level, but like, I guess you could have with a tight stop. I hate hindsight, dude. I hate hindsight's always 20/20, man. That's insane. That 30,000 level, man, is crazy. Did anyone take a stab at that? That's crazy. My boy DC texted me. He goes, "Hey, a bunch of orders at 30K." And I'm like, "Oh, thanks." Would I take shorts? No, I would only maybe take shorts if we go sweep the data.
Single fucking red month since this year has started.
We'd have to go sweep the data away.
Dit duurt echt jaren, jongens. Dit kan ik niet doen.
This looks so good if we didn't have a damn data wake above, dude. Do not want this inverse here.
Oh
yeah, so
god.
we have a 1 minute short here, guys. I hate it though. I just, statistically speaking, I can't take this. This is unprofitable. Statistically speaking. If it works, great, but
You
I
could
don't
do
want to go
this.
against statistics. Yeah, I know what quarterly theory is.
Oh my fucking days.
Damn, dude. Why is there data wick? This looks so good. Ugh. Alright, let's see if we get this 30-second close. I'll tape read this, but I'm not touching this. I really hope we bounce here somehow. Yeah, no close. "30-second log." Yeah, there's a 30-second long here, but I'd honestly rather be safer and wait for just a giant 2-minute CSD or break here. Just my opinion. I'm gonna tape read this 30-second. If you're bearish, great, but I don't want to take this one.
Got the 1 minute.
Let's see if you get it.
Nope.
Okay, so here's a 30-second entry if you guys are bearish. I'm not touching this one. I hate it. If it works, great. This is a complete pattern trade, but I will say this is a pattern trade that could be profitable if you go for higher than for higher. The reason I'm not taking it is because we have a data wick up here, and in my experience, shorting with a data wick has gotten me wrecked more times than not. So, it's whatever. If you are gonna take this because you're bearish, then you go break even here, but It's a
Got the
30k
deal,
level,
yeah.
man, so. You're in a short? Nice, good luck. If we flush 30k, we're probably not going to the data wick.
DP set is crazy.
Okay, there's the break-even point. And break even. Let's go. Let's go. Break even trade. Haha. Haha. Shorts.
It's full TP right there, you mean?
Get out of here.
Make the S&T with 930 low.
I know I'm evil eye.
Oh my god.
Why don't I got the screen up? Because I'm live on YouTube. Yeah, gotta go on YouTube to see my screen. How many people took that short and then they got stopped break even? Type 1. Ha 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 ha.
Why would you take that?
Still don't have
Gross.
anything we like, guys. I don't like anything here yet.
Fuck this shit.
Did I take shorts? No. I don't want to short the data wick above. I just statistically it's unprofitable in the long run. To just if I short against something I know is like completely just wrong or just statistically against what I usually do, I get really emotional. Like I have to take a trade I know I'm on the side of statistics because I'm less emotional. If I take a trade that's completely against what I've backtested, I freak the hell out. And I just trade emotionally. Yeah, maybe 2 minute long, but I don't really like the structure we're getting here. You're like almost longing back into a V shape.
Varför fan möts inte vi?
Why am I looking kind of cute? I don't know. Thanks. All right, we are gunning through this 30,000 level. I might be done, guys. We don't get anything here. You're waiting for me in Bulgaria? I'll be there eventually. A data wick is basically a wick we get from a news event. So today we had 8:30 news and we had this wick form during it. So it's actually a really good target. Yo, for anyone new in the stream, if you guys leave a like, I'm gonna pick someone random that leaves a like to give a fun to two when the stream ends. Come to the UK, you broke my ribs so I couldn't travel. Dude, I already did come to the UK, dude. What do we need to see here for price to for me to be really, really confident we go back to the data high here? What do we need to see? I need to see the most giant ass V shape we've ever seen that somehow just inverts all of this in a singular candle and just instantly looks like it's gonna rip back up. Unless I see that, I'm not touching this market. We're too low to short. We have data wick above. you know, even if I do short, where the hell are the targets? The targets are way down here, which are just too far to short on like the 30-second or 1 minute right now. Right? A 1 minute short's not going to tell us we're going to go here. So
lose, and that's why
I will be
haven't
honest,
had
though, like,
a single fucking red month.
I can't be bullish here.
Since
Like,
this
I
year has
physically
started,
cannot
bro.
be bullish here.
Nobody can take the
There's
same
nothing
trade as
pointing
you.
bullish.
Yes, you can. It's called buying when I press buy and putting your stop loss where I put my stop loss and putting your take profit.
The only thing is like a 15-minute BPR here, but it's breaking, dude. Nothing's bullish, so I think we go to the sell side
when you think
again.
about it.
One in this 5 minutes.
Lose, and that's why I haven't had. Go cry about. Followed my trade, you guys wouldn't be crying right now. Maniacs. Hell
Why
no.
is the sell
You
side
guys
a
can
good
figure
target?
that shit out on your own.
Why do I have this sell side mark, not anywhere else?
Shut the fuck up, dumbass course
That's the
seller.
same shit.
Well, shit, man. I sell courses and I'm profitable on the
Yeah,
charts.
because
Go
it's a
fucking cry
low
about it. Profitable
inside
in
of
2
this
business
BPR.
models.
It's a low
Profitable
zone
in
for
3
that,
business
yeah.
models too. Have literally a clothing brand that did $10 million
We're just
annual.
knifing
So
to
you guys
30,000, so we
are
should just
still
keep going
less
down.
skilled than me. You guys can figure it the fuck out, bruh.
I'm still green on the day from the first long I took. I'm not as green as I wanted to be.
Go cry about it, bro. I just won. If you guys followed my trade, you guys wouldn't be crying right now. If you guys followed my trade, you guys wouldn't be crying right now.
flying the bike. We're good.
Siya lang ito.
What was the first play? The first play I took,
Every single.
I took this play
You know
right
why
here.
all you guys are crying right now? Because you guys took shorts. That's why you guys are crying, because you guys took shorts. So stop pointing fingers.
This is the play I'm green from, guys. I end up scaling because I didn't like how he reacted to the CE. So that's the only play I
Yes, you
took so
can.
far.
It's called buying when I press buy and putting your stop loss where I put my stop loss and putting your take profit where I put my take profit. It's pretty fucking easy, actually.
You guys look at my
Since this
amp
year has
executions.
started, bro. Nobody can take the same trade as you. Yes, you can. It's called buying when I press buy and putting your stop loss. Nobody can take the same trade as you.
Yes, you can.
can.
Here's
It's
my
called buying when I
executions.
press buy and month.
Averaging a little bit, but
Fucking red month since this year has started, bro. Nobody can take the same trade as you. Yes, you can. It's called buying when I press buy and putting your stop loss where I put my stop loss and putting your
we
take
could
profit
end
where I
up
put my
coming to
take
the
profit.
sell
It's
side
pretty
and then
fucking
getting like a giant long, maybe.
fucking red month since
But we're
this
just
year
not
has
getting a
started,
universal
bro.
here, so I just don't fight it
Nobody
yet.
can take the same trade as you. Yes, you can. It's called buying when I press buy and putting your stop loss.
Thoughts on a 1 minute long if we get it? I don't like longs here. At this point, I think we go to the sell side. Also, the 1 minute gap is just way too tiny here. Never taste them like this. How do I feel about the Judah swing off open? I was hoping we Judah swing to the data wick and then get the short. If the wick at open was that swept the data wick, I would have taken that 1 minute all day. But I'm not gonna fade statistics, dude. Not doing it. By the way, 90% off on Apex if you use code Dodgy. Only use that firm if you guys don't have a lot of money and you're like new to trading and you don't get payouts, because likely you're going to fail the account and they're the cheapest to fail. But if you've gotten payouts, then I'd use Lucid. 50k flex, which is 50% off using code Dodgy until July 2nd, and then Tradeify 35% off for the select plan right now. Whenever I do lives that you blow months of progress, how? I haven't even called anything out, dude. Besides us going to the sell side. Okay, about 40 more points so we sweep the sell side. We're probably not going to stop. I mean, we're just melting through 30,000. This is very obvious liquidity. It's an hourly intermediate term low. And then once we hit that sell side, I guess we'll see the reaction. Come to Norway, I'll throw a reliable, or Norway at some point. Yeah, so basically I marked the sell side from the hourly. So if you look in the hourly, it's a low inside of an old fair value gap. And these are great liquidity targets because what causes price to go up inside this old BPR? A shit ton of buyers. Where are all their stop losses? Under this low. So now that we're in the sell side of the curve, we melted through 30,000. I know we're just going to continue to run this sell side, and any long we get here, I would never take. I would maybe take a long if we swept the sell side, but that's it.
I wanted to go faster, bro.
Okay, we should just keep running down here. Did a high zone always get hit? Yeah, you're right. They don't. They only get hit 86% of the time. This is just going to be one of those days where it doesn't get hit. I think the last like 10 data wicks have all been hit, so you know, the odds are just playing out. They're evening out today, which is alright. Full port here, no stop loss.
This trade is just way too long, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie, this trade is just way too long, bro.
Did I catch a ton of... Yeah, I probably caught like 7 of them, Devin.
Look at this long.
Whoa, dude. I mean, it's gonna hit. There's no way this doesn't hit. What is the best prop firm? It depends, dude. Like the best prop firm for if you're a scalper is, or like you go for 1R is like Apex, or you don't have a lot of money. The best prop firm if you're getting consistent payouts is like PopStep or Lucid. Probably Lucid now, but I'm listening to kind of music.
Die dataweek, hè. Die short is zo mooi, maar die dataweek, hè. Oh,
Okay, so there's sell side guys. Just obviously very easy call out there. Now we'll just kind of see the reaction here. If we break this hourly, then I'm going to be targeting new week opening gap. I already am in a small short position to this new week opening gap. So if we break this hourly, we'll probably just keep flushing down through all this.
Ons bij deze kant doen, of ons die jaar.
Yeah, I'm in puts too.
Pieter.
2 maanden in een
Ja,
jaar,
een
daar
future
zijn enkel
stop-loss
versie
zonder
precies. Er is geen enkel ander Europees land dat zo doet, maar je mocht ook...
Reekske.
16.
Die jaarke.
Bro, you saved my life? Yeah, well, I'm about to ruin it. Again.
Oh,
I saved it just so I could ruin it.
oh, I'm sorry, bro. Deze guy is waarschijnlijk de beste trader van hun drie. Deze guy is gouden. Is toch zo gouden, de Pieter. Dit is de beste trader op aarde, gast. Plus. Break even. Plus. Money min. Plus. Break even. Plus. Close account. Plus. Trade.
Tarieven van huizen. Season, wat zou dat zijn? Geen flauw idee. Ah, tap die unfilled. Maar gaat toch niet al reageren aan deze SMT nu?
Kunnen we nu een beetje structure bouwen? Structure niet crazy.
Zo zal die bij een unfilled 15 zijn. Huren is weggesmeten geld. Daar ga ik je toch over tegenspreken, maat. Het geld dat wij nu betalen aan huur, of dat je meteen zou kwijt zijn omdat je een huis koopt, is wel een flagrant verschil. En dat geld dat je niet wegsmijt.
Ik ga gewoon dit kijken, fuck alles. Ik wil niet meer trainen, ik wil dit nog eens kijken.
Je moet lachen er met lak. Je moet lachen er met lak. Je moet lachen er met lak. Waarom kan ik dat niet aanpassen dat dat niet zo is?
Maat, hij gaat een goede training, of zei. Maat,
Ja, Tini.
je blij. Yaltini, er komt 1 mei een nieuw Alpha Futures account, de premium plan. Yaltini.
Oh ja, mijn lach is zo grappig. Waarom kan ik dat niet aanpassen dat dat niet zo is?
Je kunt er wel nog.
Fullporting.
Maar
Als ik 500 door is,
dan gaat
zonder mij niet zonder. Wacht.
hij.
Eeuw, kijk wat je doet. Oil for oil. Yo, don't go without. Eeuw, kijk wat je doet. Oil. Die
Yaltini,
fucking delay. Ja, gewoon.
Kijk. Yaltini, jump the gun, maat!
Wacht, ja. As fuck, hè, we gaan naar die Equalize gaan.
Dit is een SMT.
Ah, protected low.
Protected low. Ik heb die niet
Ah,
genomen.
maar X reactie. Oké. Weer van deze man.
Kijk waar die nu is.
Ja, hier zo hè.
Die is geïnverst.
Ah, fuck.
Meteen break-even moeten gaan.
Ah, fuck.
Zet die stijlstop.
Oh shit.
Je zit moet op break-even zitten.
Stop, waar is mijn stop? Stop.
Buy stop bedoel ik. Dus doe een buy.
Bye, stop.
Anders is ja.
Jij TP en ik niet?
Oh.
Hoe zit jij TP en ik niet?
Nee, die heeft gewoon een kut limit order gezet. Die is waarschijnlijk nu daarin. die film hier niet gedaan. Als hij dat gedaan had, is een account gepest. Want hij moet nog... Hij was dan met
Maar hoe heeft hij hier wel?
Hij heeft niks genomen.
Hoe is... Kijk, bij hem is die low gesweept.
Bij u ook, maat.
Bij mij ook.
Daarom zeg ik...
Ik wil gewoon een log nemen. Waarom zijn we zoveel kill aan het doen? Vieze dingen.
Dat is van 2000.
Kijk, ik moet toch niks doen. Ik moet gewoon kijken naar deze mooie stream.
Maar hoe heeft hij hier wel?
Hij heeft niks genomen.
Hoe is... Kijk, bij hem is die low gesweept.
Ik wil gewoon een log nemen. Waarom zijn we zoveel kill aan het doen? Vieze dingen.
Dat is van 2000.
Maar dit is mijn fout. Dit is de foute stream.
Geltie! Hoe staat je vinger? Geltie! Maar Geltie, we zitten in deze rejection blok.
Wacht. Als we deze winnen, hij gaat deze 1 minute to the upside nemen.
Die gaat niet gebeuren, maat. Die gaat niet gebeuren.
Echt. I'm so sorry, bro. Nee, die gaat echt. Nu kan dat.
Ja, laat
Fuck. Hier, TP.
Mij doet dit. Ulti gewoon, maat. Je moet nu...
Wat gaat Jalti doen?
longen.
Moet ik nu longen? Uit. Hij baat. Ik wil geen stoploos.
Een stressje zo.
Ik wil geen stoploos, uit.
6 micro's.
Kijk, ik denk echt dat dit een heel goede trade is, eerlijk gezegd. Ik zweer.
Ah, fuck.
En nu... Ah, maar hij zit er waarschijnlijk met 6 minis in. Kijk eens. Als hij nu niet begint te pumpen, is hij cooked. Ja, hij zit er met 6 minis in. Hij is cooked. Als hij nu niet pumpt, is hij echt cooked voor live. Ga even weg.
Maar dat zou ik niet echt gewoon met... Moet ik closen, Wally? Niet closen.
Trouwens, bro. Trouwens,
Ja, hij is up 1k.
ik zeg het. Waarom gaat je break-even? Idioot!
Niet break-even gaan, zegt Wobby. Wobby zegt niet break-even gaan, dat betekent niet break-even gaan.
Hij gaat je
2k.
Ja, oké, hij is beter.
Ik ga ook
Hij moet
break-even.
niet break-even gaan.
En ik?
Hij moet niet break-even gaan. Doe
Oké,
dat pas
oké.
hier.
Oké.
Geloof mij. Die gaat waarschijnlijk nog terugkomen naar hun draad.
Fuck, stoploos.
Als jij ze dan kan, daar helemaal van.
Jalti.
Kijk nu. Nu moet hij wel break-even zijn, de Jalti. Maar jij nog niet, want jij zit daar met...
Jalti, is echt blij.
Daar komt heb ik nog steeds.
Waar heeft hij zijn...
Plus 2k.
Oh ja, hij is rijk. Jalti.
Ik zei toch dat het uiteindelijk goed is.
Kijk hem.
Heeft hij geclosed.
Wat doet hij?
Hij heeft een account gepest. Lekker, Jalti!
Jalti.
Dit is eigenlijk een goede setup, bro.
Jalti.
Jij denkt dat break-even moet gaan.
Geen
man.
emoties ook. Dat is echt
Ik wil
goed.
naar Jalti kijken.
W signal. W signal. Ik zei, yes heeft hij gehit. Zeg even W signal.
Maat, alles behalve.
Jalti.
Lekker, Jalti! Doe die fucking break-even weg.
Waar?
Motherfuckers, maat.
Heb een trade. Oh shit.
Wat hè? Wat is dit, gast?
Maat, jij zit in...
Maat, ik trade niet waar. Ik trade legit niet, gast. Ik wist wanneer die voorhouden ging. Ik wist het, man. Ik had de gekald toch, hè, chat? Of niet? We hebben nu... Barret.
Why am I in puts for options? Because I think price is going to go down here to the new week opening gap. Just based off what I've seen. Why don't I trade gold? I hate trading gold. I don't, it like fails to run liquidity.
Ayanapa is 10 kilometer naar daar.
Bitcoin onder
Dus ja, zo
61.
goed als
Ik
wel,
kan
ja.
bijna Bitcoin kopen, chat. fucking geld, gast. Ik moet nu tegen mijn ma zeggen, investeer al je geld in bitcoin. Why am I sweating?
L-trader, maat.
Jelty, zet die mic harder.
Bro, Jelty, niemand hoort die, maat. Jij zit een L-trader, maat.
Jelty, zet die mic harder.
Ik dacht echt dat je die niet ging nemen, Jelty. Nu
Ik
ben ik
ben
toch trots op je dat je dat neemt.
Ik ben een dubtrader, trust.
Gaat hij dit nu journal, dan zit je echt een koesting, maat.
Wat was zijn background ervan?
Je gaat er fucking Insta zetten, maat.
Als ik dat journal ben ik
Je
echt
moet even kijken of
gekoesterd.
die daar boven close, boven je lijn.
Vieze Apex account, weer €100 kwijt.
Dodge heeft die trade ook genomen.
Wacht, ik moet luisteren of Jelte zeg iets.
Jelty, Dodge heeft die trade ook genomen.
Ik hoor nu niet.
Hij gaat dit nemen. Ik moet Pieter copy traden. Ik moet Pieter copy traden.
I'm Richard Millerich.
Hoe kan dit werken trouwens?
Tuurlijk wel, Tim. Nee, bro, ik ga niet traden. Ik ben gewoon wat forward testen of aan short. Ik ga niks nemen vandaag.
Oh,
Dan kan ik in zo'n market gaan traden.
dat is dan goed dat je dat zegt, want anders was ik al lang aan die trade gegaan hoor, Pieterke. Gaston.
Oh shit.
What the fuck? Oh, geen inverse.
Oh shit. Hey, SD.
Puta madre, charmante sen.
Nee Tim, je moet de eerste inversen. We hebben een 30 second inversion bijna. Nee, I'm joking dude. Ik ga hier echt niks nemen. 3 minuten hier, 4 minuten hier, 5 minuten hier, fuck allemaal.
Fuck man, chat.
Ciao ciao Noah.
God, hij is zo tasty.
Ja, ben ik autistisch, heel eerlijk.
Dat is fijn. God,
Ja, regeltje brengt niet. Maar verder dat een Q die nog niet uit heeft.
jawel.
Oké, dan moet je wel even. Ja, die Dodge heeft die trade ook genomen.
Ik moet luisteren of Jelte zeg iets.
Ik ben Dodge. Ja, die Dodge heeft die trade ook genomen.
Jelte, zet uw mic nog iets harder, broer. Hij heeft zijn mic kapot, joh. Kijk.
Oh. Hey, Jelty. Hey, Jelty.
Ah, god, viezerik. Hij gaat short.
Short op zijn PA. Jelty bro, Fullporting PA maat. Geloof mij nou.
Jelte, koop een nieuwe mic, geloof mij.
Jeltini. Hey.
Van welke?
Jelte, zet uw mic nog iets harder, broer.
Fullporting PA.
Weer te live
Ik
gaan.
hoop dat hij nu gaat pumpen, want als hij hier gaat stoom doen, dan gaat je sowieso gebruiken. Pumpen, maat. Die is heel hard aan het pumpen.
Waar? Ah, ik ben achter. Fuck, hè. Ik mag dat niet doen.
Oh, die is aan het pumpen, maat. Die is heel hard aan het pumpen.
Waar?
Kanker aan het pumpen.
Oh, please, let me
Dat is
pass
het
my...
dat is
Oh,
eigenlijk wat je
shit.
nodig had. Als hij binnen 20 seconden boven deze lijn dan kan closen, goed.
Oké, go.
Laat me eens marken. Gaat hij struggelen.
Je gaat eens terug. Fuck, hoezo?
Als hij daar boven kan, LLOD.
De liquid
Links,
on,
links.
on the dick.
En
Hier
als
is
hij
die
daar
andere,
boven
hier is
kluist,
die
dan gaat hij
andere.
sowieso al naar hier.
Ah, fuck.
En als hij
Deze
daar
LLOD.
boven kluist, dan
En
gaat
dan
Deze.
close en opnieuw.
je moet kijken of die...
Ja.
Mag dat ook?
Mag dat nu ook?
Deze daarachter.
Waar is mijn muis?
Oeh, die is aan het pumpen.
Kom op.
Oh, ik dacht dat
Ah,
hij
fuck. Ah, fuck.
Ik heb een heel goede call gegeven, dat weet ik nog.
Pump.
Hij heeft de foute LOD gemaakt.
Fuck, die fuck, hè.
Dit is eigenlijk niet goed, maat. Dat is bij die LLOD, hè.
Dat is bij de LLOD. Fuck.
Heb je 30
Nee,
seconds?
30 seconds heb ik niet. 20 geld.
Ah nee, dit is uw LLOD.
Dit
20
is
geld,
nu-
20
Dit is
geld.
mijn LLOD.
Dit is
Fuck, hè.
LLOD. Als hij hier boven close,
Als hier boven close ben ik binnen.
dus dan zit je echt legit binnen. Als hij daar boven close, zit je binnen. Ik zou als hij daar boven kluist misschien je stoploss omhoog gaan trillen. Je stoploss hoger zetten. Dat je een beetje profit hebt.
Wat moet ik doen?
Kijk, hier gaat hij lang zitten. Dat zijn die daar
We zijn al heel veel gepumpt. Dat betekent... Oh, weer de boven!
leuk klimaat.
Goed.
Deze heeft 5
700.
Maar kijk of
Die verwarring tijd ook.
die daar closed. Jaltini neemt dit.
Jaltini, neem de erboven. Kom op, kak. Nee, fuck. Nee, is niet erg.
Dat is niet.
Jalte.
Ga naar NQ.
LLOD. Ah, fuck.
Dit is de laatste gap in heel die dingen.
Ah, fuck
Niet
het.
geclosed daarboven hier. Nee. Ziet je? Oké, nu gaat hij daar boven closen.
Bro, I need...
Genoeg zijn maar geen.
Jawel.
Nee, ik zou die wel daar zetten en als het
Ja, ja.
genoeg is, zou ik gewoon fullporten totdat je weg. Echt serieus.
Echt?
Kom op, kak. Tijd staat hier.
Echt serieus?
Eerst zeggen, eerst salings geven.
Ah Jelte, kijk, dit is uw long, maat. Dit is uw long.
Jelte, kijk naar de live. Jelte, ga switch naar de live en kijk naar wie bij zijn
Dit is uw
word.
long.
Jelte, dit is uw long, break even. Ik weet niet waar het heb.
Dit is Jelte's long.
Oké, dit is Jelte's long. Ga naar Jelte's live, kijken of hij de long neemt.
Nee, die gaat hij niet nemen.
Ah, fuck, hij durft niet. Hij heeft zijn account ook al gepest. Jelte niet nemen, je hebt zijn account al gepest.
Nee,
Niet
maar ik
kritisch
moet
zijn.
ook nog even zijn fun account even fixen.
Kom op, bro. Oh, even al geet, ja.
Dat is niet weet.
Little... Waar is... Oké. Fuck. Hit die. Die react die lane.
React op die
Die
lijn.
react die lane.
Die boven kunnen
Dus,
closen.
gaat nog steeds? Jalti.
Ik zou nu als ik Jelte was nog steeds niet break even was. Als ik die...
Heeft hij mijn TP gehit? Heeft hij mijn TP gehit? Count back, bro. Nee.
Ik bidden dat hij daar...
Oké, maar dat is niet... Jalti fix... Ja, stop. Bro.
Yes.
Start praying for me. Dumpen, we zijn aan het dumpen.
Oh.
So close, buddy. Yati, start praying. Start praying for me.
Maar gast, ik ben cooked.
Zie je wel dat ik had moeten longen, Tim? Longen met een 4 uur equal low onder ons.
Slim, jong, slim.
Bref, als je me zegt wanneer je komt, dan kan ik... Bro, ik moet dat ook bespreken. Kalma. Holy rage bait. Business class, oh for sure. Ryanair business class.
5-minute longs. I would not long here, dude. We left equal lows here. Just doesn't make sense. So.
Maar is niet eens Ryanair business
What
class
about
zo
data
aan.
high? Dude, data high is tough, dude.
Aiken
We're so
business
far
class ook.
away. Honestly, why is this a good sign?
Aiken
Why is
business
this
class.
actually a good sign? Yeah, because we're actually leaving a really nice target, so we could actually get like an A+ setup here maybe.
This is not business, dude. Ik zweer, die hadden echt
actually
zo'n
kinda
hele
good,
couch apart gewoon. Hier, zoiets. Dat was zoiets tussen een bieten dat we hadden
Is
gezien.
the market trying us today? Yeah, dude.
Er zat zo'n chappie in een fucking geile Rolex tegen. Wat is er dan nog? Ah, first
Alright,
class.
please explain the options
Dat is nog
strikes.
erboven zeker.
Yeah, so basically on puts like this, I'll take them like a month out because yes, I know we're gonna hit the new week opening gap, but I don't know when. So I don't take 0
Ik
DDEs.
zweer, ik heb
But
1 vlieger die
I took month
dit
outputs because I know for a fact if I come back in a month, we're 100% gonna hit this new opening gap. Like, there's no doubt about it. So
5 minute. Bro, the thing is, and I hate being like super picky about shit, but like, especially after all this moves, bro. So 5 minutes just got inverted to the upside. Now we're just kind of disrespecting the fuck out of this. Nah. Not an inverse to the upside. Not an inverse to the upside, no. Oh, we have an SMT at this high too.
Gast,
Bro,
schreef
I'm
je
gonna
erbij
rip
als je
this
te
short.
laat bent. Maar het hustle is eigenlijk gekookt voor live.
This short could be the move right here. No, if that candle closes ass. Because we also have this 1 minute gap. If we go through like both of these 1 minute gaps, yes.
you mean like that?
Yeah, fuck. Like that. Some shit where, yeah.
For a close?
A close with this. You wanna touch me?
Lost $67. So now I'm only at $530. But I'm playing with profits here, okay? It's like there's no possible way it can go red. But my target's gonna be 744. Little 1 minute long for fun with 1 micro only.
Something like this.
No, like I'm legitimately only up $600 today. Like I'm actually not lying about that. Like usually it would be like times a bunch of accounts, but my funded
We
accounts I
didn't
never
close.
took
We didn't
partials.
close.
Only my live I did.
So no entry.
So I'm legitimately up only 600.
That's so annoying, no close, but
Like it's my smallest screen day in like I don't even know how long. So
you gotta follow the rules. You gotta be patient. Also opening up a 15-minute gap, so it's gonna just go back up this side. This would honestly be A+ if we just open up this 15-minute gap here into this in a minute. You know?
my love.
It's for the best.
Dude, this is such a banger playlist, bro.
Pressure!
Yeah, I cannot break that
What
30
pressure? Yeah, yes also.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, the equal lows. Bro, this is so great. Just these
Alright,
equal
now we're
lows,
only up
make
like
me
450.
literally hard, bro.
Okay.
Wow.
Wait, let me check just to check.
Yeah, I would
Alright,
love to
we're
see
up
this high just get hit.
$438 still in the day.
Yeah, this 15-minute gap's
We're
gonna
still
open.
chilling.
Have some higher time frames on Yeah, bro. Just have lower time frames on.
What shitty trades? Yeah, those were horrible trades, bro. That's why I took a micro. I'm just taking a micro for fun, bro.
Like this 1 minute was good, but again, like if I'm gonna
I'm vibing to the music, dude.
Market structure. If you took shorts off of that
We have a
SMT,
5
like you're
minute
just
long here, but like I said, I just
met
don't like it.
iemand
We
gewoon
left
een
equal
chat
lows, so we're gonna go
huren
back
en
to
dat
these. Dude, I gotta start listening to kind of music more. This is actually such a vibe, dude. I could say it was a bad trade 5 times before, and these guys would still victory lap, probably. Dude, I've taken trades that are wins, and like it's still like even if that was a win, that would still have been a terrible trade. And then you got people typing ones in chat like, "Let's go, let's go." Like in reality, those people winning on those trades are never gonna be profitable, you know.
Alright, on for 5 minute. Yes as well. Training this 15 minute. Clean. Equal lows as well on the 15 minute on ES, bro. Every time I find up on it, I make order.
Ah, jongen, wat een kankergeluid. Jelty long, Jelty long, Jelty long.
Die long, man. Doe maar even Pieter doet. Die zit de hele tijd te trainen.
Maar als dat geluid is echt kanker. Kijk, hier zit. Hij wil het terug.
Dat was echt fijn, dat weet ik nog. Dat was echt fijn, dat weet ik echt heel nog.
Maar als dat geluid is echt kanker.
Dat is die long is wel. Het kan toch niet werken?
Hij wil het terug. Toch? Maar kijk op die warmtijd ook.
Kijk op die daar closed. Je hebt die niet.
Even die raakt die lijn.
Die boven kunnen.
Dus-
Dat hij daar boven dan.
Praying. Start praying.
Praying for me.
Zie je deze box hier, bro?
Welke box is dat?
Ja.
Dat is die kutvervuil, ik heb al geen first is. Die jar zegt dat dat niet meer telt. Als die, die gaat er, ah fuck, die gaat er niet meer boven closen. Laat die lijn staan. In die box. Gast, dit is de diabolicalste week die ik ooit heb gezien. Ja, dit is echt.
Hoor gaat die niet, man.
Ja, dat telt die niet.
Oeh, kijk het goed.
Ah, maar kijk, we gaan in die 5 minuten. Nee.
Je moet gewoon hier zo. 10:35. Ja, die heeft die lange niet gehad. Ja, dan gaat hij nog wel wit.
Maar die kan die nog altijd een. Waar sta je?
Waar sta je ook
Die is een
naar?
dumpen, maat.
Nee, plusje.
Dumpen, maat.
Hoe hier staat het?
Jeltini! Jeltini!
Dat is iets voor zijn dingen.
Gast weer aan het pumpen.
Dat ziet er nog best wel goed uit. Kijk, hier maakt hij nu gewoon lower 66, ik weet het niet. Je moet gewoon hopen dat hij niet hebt. Je doet die...
Oh, oké.
Nee, je altijd is een vrouw geworden, maat. We moeten naar Omi, maat, Jeltini. Hoe gaat mijn Omi, maat?
TV'ke!
Omhoog gaan. Nu gaat het omhoog blijven gaan. Nu is het klaar, daar is het wat nodig had. Daar is het!
Heb ik mijn 1k? Ik heb geen 1k. Fuck.
Daar is het TV'ke!
Zet mijn zelfs op weg!
Nee, die gaat niet uit worden, jongen. Niet stressen. Waar is uw training view? Nee, dat weet ik nog 100.
Nog 100.
Oké, moet ik doen voor u?
Nee.
Gaat je dat niet doen? Ik zou short
Kijk
doen.
die week, kijk die week.
Short.
Wacht.
Short met 3.
Jalti, ik heb 900, Jalti.
Short.
Jalti, ik heb 900, Jalti. Wat ook doen.
Dit is gewoon uw profit van nu.
Maar waar ben ik aan het doen? Wat zie ik? Waarom is het zwart hier? Jalti, ik weet niet wat ik moet doen, Jalti. Nee!
Wat wilt je?
Ik wil mijn account nog hebben. Ik wil niet
Wilt
mijn
je long of short?
Ik wil niks.
Alsjeblieft, 3. Je moet wachten tot hij een beetje lager is. Hoeveel is uw max contract? Ga gewoon nog 1 Q doen, dat is
Dat
beter.
doen we nu al gehad, dat doen we nu al gehad.
Maar waarom mag dit niet?
Dat is goed, ik heb 100! Close!
Maar ik heb het.
Easy pass! I just passed my first... Nee.
Maar waarom scammers zijn dat, maat?
Hoezo?
Die zeggen dat dat niet mag en dan is het geen position, maat. Je moet echt meteen kunnen kopen.
Ja, maakt niet uit. Ja, en dan zit het er toch in.
Hield hij niet, maat. Hij
Hield hij niet?
Hij hield hij niet.
Klaus, die kanker zit er. Ah ja, nu. Fuck, ik zit op pauze. De peken. Nu moet ik me vinden. Ik heb toch geen activation.
Ik wist dat er zo'n goede zijn hadden.
Ja, ik was niet eens van plan om te treden, maar omdat ik u zag treden, dacht ik ga ook treden. Ik dacht ook, ik ga ook treden als je altijd dat doet.
Ja, toen komt het. Maat, maar die is echt heel hard aan het pumpen. Kijk, ga eens naar heen.
So tap that 50%, pretty good reaction. Yeah, there's a 5 minute and a 3 minute here, so if we get these closers, then I'd look for us to go down again. Why don't I use my own IVG
Would be
indicator?
fried to take a short on the
I've been trained.
Scale of 1 to 10. Can't be that fried. Dude, I really want to try it. I think I'm gonna try it. Fuck it. Fuck it, bro. I'll try this 5-minute short on ES, honestly, guys. Oh, but I have to use ES, M, and Q. What is the ES chart? MES? Oh my god. Okay. Let's see if we get filled.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm gonna try a short here on ES. We have a 5-minute inverse. We literally have perfect equal lows here. Perfect equal lows on the daily. So I never trade ES, bro, but again, I haven't seen a short this beautiful ever. So yeah, I'll try this. I mean, this is just super textbook. It can't get much more A+.
See if we get the close. We're in one more micro here, guys. Hope all our hopes and dreams. We need to make back this loss.
That's a good push.
I'm gonna do TP here at 745. What did I lose? How much am I down? Does anyone know? I think I lost 60. I think I'm down 160. So if this hits, I'll be green.
Hold up, guys. Trying to connect
Break
this.
even, we here. You really think I'm going break even on a micro though? Yeah, I'm in a 1 micro short for fun. I've already lost my previous 2 though, so this could lose 2, I don't know. We haven't even inversed a 5, but. We inverse everything but the 5 minute. Dude, did you guys know that I met someone who traded 1 micro for 3 years straight, but he was profitable, and what he did is he showed these hedge firms his equity curve from trading 1 micro, and he got hired. Because it doesn't matter, like, he like showed them, even though it was 1 micro, like, it was still very profitable. Because the size doesn't matter.
Looking good, it's looking good.
That's what he did. And I go, why 1 mic? Why not just 1 mini? And he's like, because I wasn't doing it for the money. And then he got hired at a bunch of hedge firms, you know? So honestly, really cool story, but. See if we can flush through this. We've equal lows, dude. There's no reason we should be stalling. This stalls is just bad PA.
Yeah, the equal lows on ES, bro.
It's the motion of the ocean. Okay. Yes. Come on, flush through the break-even point. 5 minute closes in 39 seconds.
Oh my god.
Again, if I was in a full size position here, would I already be break even? Yes, but I'm in a micro, so I don't really care.
Try it.
I'm listening to kind of music, an hour of kind of music.
Nah, try it.
Dude, how do we not hit that low, bro? Okay, there's a 5 minute closure. So every single time frame suddenly closed below here, but this is not a good reaction. We just left equal lows in the 2 minute. If I was in a full size position here, I would have probably maybe gone stop break even, but we'll see. How many people took this short and then they went break even? Nice. Yeah, like I said, full transparency, if I was in with a full size position, I would have 100% gone stop break even here. Because I'm in a micro and I'm just kind of doing this for fun, then, you know, I'm not actually stopping out, but. Again, pretty bad PA here.
Bro, I
Just did
realize I'm not
wanna
even
run those
in this
lows
on
for
my
whatever
fucking
reason, which I
other
don't really know the
accounts,
reason,
bro.
but- Are you guys like getting better at dude, can you stop spamming please? Are you guys getting better at like knowing when to subjectively go break even based off what price action's doing?
Like, what are we doing?
Like it definitely takes a little time, but like once you watch the market long enough, like, you know when we should not stall and you know when we should run. Like, we should not stall there, okay? Let's be honest. I don't want to be in price action that's going to stall here, all right? It's just how I like to trade. And even if this ends up working, it's like, who cares, dude? Like, it would have, you know, if I'm in, let's say I'm in 5 minis right now, I'm down like 3K here. I would be a lot more stressed. I'd be like, oh, I should have break even, right? I'm in a micro, so I don't care at all. But it's a lot different when you're trading with decent size. So,
bro, but it's not even.
Here's a retrace into the 5 minute.
This shit's not even copy trading, bro.
I think this is gonna be another loss, just because I don't really want to see us retrace into here, and I feel like we should have already ran down there. But you know, we'll see. We'll see. Just very bad PA. This is touch grass PA. So. We also like technically have this here too, so you don't have to stream some market makers hunting my stop loss. It's hunting my 1 micro stop loss, dude. I'm so scared. If this stops out, I'm gonna still be up like 300, but again, I almost count anything like less than 500 for me. I just count as a break-even day in my live account. Decent reaction there. This is so V-shaped, dude. V-shape off of equal lows. No. So I never take these trades. I never short this far in discount. I'm just doing it because I'm on stream, I'm vibing, I'm green for the day, so I'm just kind of taking some micros for fun, just for educational purposes. But no, I usually don't short all the way down here. It's not smart.
Some bottom tick this shit. It's so hot, bro.
I was like muted for a minute. I was muted. Sorry, guys. Yeah, that's why you get out at break even though, because now we're just generating liquidity. Damn, bro. That was so fucking annoying with my trade sinker. This shit didn't even copy to anything. So I'll enter a short again if we come back and we get some sort of inverse to the downside, like get a good confirmation setup here off this rejection wick, then yes, right? Because we're now generating a good amount of trendline lows here. But if not, bro, we just pump up.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, I guess, bro. This BA is horrible, bro. I'm not gonna lie. This BA is fucking shit. Hoe zeg ik die emotie? Dat is geen emotie. Beetje... my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. God, bro. Oh my god, bro. I was not looking. Oh my god, bro. Wait for the ref. Still didn't hit the break-even point. break even will be right here. Chris? Het is Jelten hier, hè? Chris, wanneer vertrekken wij naar Spanje? Oké, is dat in een weekend? Ah, oké. Oké, is goed, dank u wel. Ça va, ça va. Ja, is goed. Dank u. Goed, goed, goed. Nee, nee. Gewoon, ik wou weten wanneer. Ja, dat is waar ook. Of ik, of ik moet een kopen of zo, ik weet niet. Dat is goed. Dat is goed. Ja. Dag hè. Goed. Mijn goal is die pis. Daarom hou ik dus van pis, hè. Daarom hou ik dus van pis. Let's break even. Where do I upload, bro?
Trading isn't just a
Trading isn't just a skill. Where do I upload? I'm ugly as fuck. Oh my god. Good video, good video, good video, good video, good video, good video, good video. Fuck. What is that? That's the biggest wasp I've ever seen. It's in my bed. It's on my pillow. Oh my fucking god. Dat is een hoornaar. Gaston. Nee. Nee, dat is een wesp. Gaston, hoe groot is dat beest? Gaston. 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 What the fuck is that? Get out of my room. The quality's ass. Can't I put like sound on this shit? Okay, there's no sound, bro. Oh my god.
Yo, if you ever think about giving up on trading, bro, just remember there are niggas that wake up every single day.
The fuck is that? How do I find a good song?
The 9:30.
What is up, y'all? We're eating good today. I'm on top of the world right now. I literally used to pray for times like this.
I'm on a massive win streak right now.
Oh my gosh. Text, 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 text. And now give me a song. What song do I use?
On day trade.
Trading for two.
All right, I don't really trade the 15-second, but I did.
I wonder how.
I made.
Okay, it's
The long.
no matter. What the hell? Well, let me
take this one.
How do I find this
Yeah,
song?
it was just a not.
Go to fucking rip it, bro. How do I find this song, bro? Ugh. I'm using this song. I don't want to fucking search this song, bro. It's too difficult. Just give me this, bro. I don't fucking care. Still live. Okay, see you guys Monday, bro. I'll be uploading a vlog tomorrow, bro. On Cali with Chelsea chat. Come on! Or today. Maybe today. Peace out. Peace out. NFB blessed.